Hey everyone, today I'm going to tell you about one of my favorite resources, Creativebug. Creativebug is your go-to resource for high-quality, on-trend arts and crafts instructional videos. They are taught as if you're participating in an in-person experience. There are hundreds of tutorials ranging in levels from beginner to intermediate on drawing, painting, sewing, knitting, crochet, quilting, baking, and more. All classes are taught by experts with new classes added daily. And the best part is, it's absolutely free with your Longwood library card. If this sounds like something you're interested in, here's how to get started. From our homepage, go to Classes and Events, Classes and Tutorials, Creativebug. Enter your library card number, and then you'll be prompted to create an account with your first name, last name, email, and password. Once you're logged in, you'll see your Explore page. This page lets you pick up where you left off, shows you videos that are recommended for you, as well as the most popular videos and seasonal videos. You'll find most content under classes, which are separated by these larger categories and then into smaller categories within them. For example, when we click on Art and Design, you'll see that there are 329 classes. You could limit that even more by clicking one of the subcategories. When you're watching a tutorial, you can toggle through the chapters to skip around or pick up where you left off. If you click the Materials tab, you can see all of the materials, and you can also download and print out a PDF. Beneath the video also shows you if you're watching a different part of a series, and it also shows you related classes. Another neat feature of Creativebug is the pattern library found under Inspiration. You find the pattern that you'd like, download, and then you can print it out. Also under Inspiration is the calendar, which shows you the classes that are going to be added, and Inspiration feeds, which are pictures that are uploaded by other Creativebug members. At the top, you'll also find the Daily Practice tab, which are courses that promote daily exercises. While you're browsing, if you see a lot of things you'd like to try, you can add them to your watch list. To see those videos you've saved, just select My Watch List from this drop-down menu. If you're looking for something specific, you can search it in the Classes search bar. And that's all there is to it. It's very easy, and there's something on there for everybody, so give it a try.